In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Teamviewer notification that pops up when it's connected. If you've been looking for ways to streamline your remote work experience by reducing distractions, you've come to the right place. Turn your focus up a notch, and let's dive into this quick and easy tutorial. First things first, you'll need to launch the Teamviewer application on both the device you'll be controlling, which we'll refer to as the remote device, and the device you're using for the connection, known as the local device. Now, if you're new to Teamviewer, this application is a powerful tool that allows you to connect with other devices remotely. Having both devices ready is crucial, as it ensures a smooth setup process. Once Teamviewer is up and running on both devices, you'll want to proceed by heading over to the Settings panel. To do this, look towards the top of your Teamviewer interface on the local device, where you'll find a gear icon or a menu labeled Settings. Click on this, and it will open up a new window with a variety of options to tweak your Teamviewer experience. With the Settings window open, the next step is to navigate to the Advanced Settings section. In the sidebar of the Settings window, you should see different categories that group related options together. Look for Advanced Settings and click on it. This section might seem a bit more technical, but don't worry, we're here to walk you through it. Now, within the Advanced Settings, you'll find a subsection that might be labeled under something related to accounts. Here is where you'll address the settings for notifications. You'll see several checkboxes, each one representing a different setting that can be turned on or off according to your preference. In the account settings, carefully look for the option that says, "Notify me when partners sign in." By default, this might be checked. This feature is typically enabled to keep users informed when someone connects to their Teamviewer. However, if you find this distracting during your work sessions, you might want to disable it. Simply click on the checkbox next to "Notify me when partners sign in" to uncheck it. This tells Teamviewer not to alert you with notifications whenever a partner logs in. Lastly, it's important to save your changes. So, after unchecking the box, make sure to click OK to confirm and apply these settings. This ensures that your preferences are stored, and you won't have to repeat this process every time you use Teamviewer. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully disabled the Teamviewer notification that appears upon connection. This quick fix should help in creating a more focused and less interrupted remote desktop environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your tech tools.